Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball. Or should I say I saw, I conquered, I came. This little chico on fire, he ain't no lie. Well, y'all slipping, he's running the game. Now Big Bang Boogie get that kitty little noogie in a nice, nice little shave. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way.
I was born in a plane. Mama said that every word was on my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am.
meie püstolreporter Karl tutvustab meile onu Tommi maja. Siin on, mis see on siis? See on toor.
See on rändtsirkus, ma ütlen ausalt.
Jah.
I'm on fire.
Fireball.
Here don't play. That boy's from the bottom of the map. MIA USA. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way.
I was born in a plane. Mama said that every word was on my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire.
Väga chilli koht. Filmib meie esimene maja, ööbimiskoht. Meie auto. Raili. Hommik. Nii, siin elas Raili. Liis on meil, Liis ei tea, et Ameerikas on nõudepesumasinad. Ta ei ole meil kursis. Meil on niuke pliit, et ma filmin seda eraldi. Selle pealt saab panna käima ka auto ja vaadata Good Morning Americat. Siin on meie bassein. Basseinis on kõva tuulega oht kookosega pihta saada. Seapesa on minu operaator elab siin. Operaator elab siin. Karistusbrigaad töötab. jah. Ma annan teile pärast $1. Te olete nüüd tublid. Ei, 3 peale, $1.